1, 2. When it's raining on the range, the prairie starts to change, gets sweeter and greener when skies are cloudy all day. When thunderstorms loom, the cactus starts to bloom. How I love when it's raining on the range. The dust gets in your eyes, the wind blows high and dry, and you're tired from your journey, long to rest from your ride. The sun comes beating down, the crops are turning brown. Dark clouds are a sight for weary-eyed. When it's raining on the range, the prairie starts to change, gets sweeter and greener when skies are cloudy all day. When thunderstorms loom, the cactus starts to bloom. How I love when it's raining on the range. The breeze comes rolling in, you'll feel the first drops on your skin, bringing life and bringing hope to the thirsty dry terrain. All the creatures start to stir and forget the way things were before the sky opened up and brought the rain. When it's raining on the range, the prairie starts to change, gets sweeter and greener when skies are cloudy all day. When thunderstorms loom, the cactus starts to bloom.